Hello, wonderful people out there. Hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy. What just happened? What is happening with the youth today? I mean, including me. I come across every single older adult saying that today's youth are just spoiled brat. They are irresponsible, carefree, they no longer respect their adults, they are impatient and beyond control. Put on the television, open any social media, and you can see people discussing about us. I mean, why? Can you just imagine that we live in a society which was not the same a decade ago? Our grandparents used to complain about our parents, and now we are the targets. From textbook reading to e-books, youths don't wait for an opportunity today. They simply start. Have you ever thought, why is this happening? Let me show you the paths that the youngsters are traveling today. Parental pressure. Since both the parents are at home, currently, the kids are cornered. They are creating a complete toxic environment. As most of the parents are working, they shower their academic excellence on them. If your parents are those famous figures, then get ready to step into them. This demanding thing is on the rise. They are killing the self-confidence of those talented youngsters through constant suppression. Lack of quality education. There used to be a time when this was the quality education. What about now? Lack of internet access in developing countries like ours is a threat to both students and teachers. It is a financial burden for the family too. Online classes demand self-discipline on students. The responsibility is completely theirs. They lack social interaction. There is no personal connection with the teacher or the peers. There is no experience, no self-discovery and growth. This leads to fewer to no work opportunities. As this is a competitive world, a higher degree of education would guarantee you a job. But today's youth have barriers to these work opportunities. In this present scenario, the education system is not producing skilled labor. According to statistics, 75 million young people are trained. Don't be surprised, but they are jobless. This is leading to depression. Depression is the most common health issue in youths today. According to National Institute of Mental Health, more than 15% of teenagers may develop depression, but unfortunately the rate is rising. Some believe that it might be due to our technologies wherein there is an easy access to one's personal life. What I feel is depression can be due to fear of losing, which can be due to increase in materialism. A few decades ago, parents used to gift their children with toys and other presents when they win that first position or attain good marks. But now everything demands. I'll do this if you give me this, or if you do this, I'll give you this trend. This habit is not only making them lazy, but also creating an easy gain with no hard work theory. Go and read those magazines, newspapers. Do you know what is going on? I have never seen him watching news. Nevertheless, people may still argue. Yes, youths. They sort out conflicts, they are independent, they achieve challenging goals, they make decisions on their own. Yes, they are arrogant, they are reckless, they are quick, and they are unstoppable. Take care, stay healthy, don't get bashed up. Equality is your birthright too. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.